What actually happens if you hold in a sneeze? A sneeze blasts air out at nearly 100 miles per hour, and holding it forces all that pressure inward. That pressure can rupture tiny blood vessels in your eyes, nose, or eardrums. In rare cases, the force can even tear your throat or damage the tissue around your lungs. So the safest move is simple. Never trap a sneeze. Just cover and let it go. Smash the like if you learned something new. And if you love learning why we do what we do, hit subscribe and stay curious.